In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify Gumroad account. By the end, you'll understand exactly where to go in your dashboard, what each setting means, and how to enter the right details so your payouts run smoothly and your account is ready for verification. First, head to your Gumroad dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to verify. The dashboard is your hub for everything related to your products and payments, so starting here keeps things straightforward. Look to the bottom left corner of the dashboard and click the profile icon. This opens a small menu that gives you quick access to your account level options. From that menu, choose Settings. This is where Gumroad keeps all of your account, profile, and financial configuration in one organized place. Inside Settings, select Payments. The Payments section is dedicated to how and when you get paid, and it's also where you'll complete the details required for verification. Think of it as your control center for payouts. Begin by setting your payout schedule. Choose the frequency that matches your cash flow needs and bookkeeping habits. Some creators prefer more frequent payouts to keep income steady, while others like batching them for simpler accounting. Whatever you pick, make sure it aligns with how you plan your expenses and review the description on the page so you know exactly when funds will be dispersed. Next, choose your payout method. Select the option available in your region and supported by Gumroad. Enter the requested information carefully and make sure the legal name on your payout method matches the name on your account. Small typos in account numbers or mismatched names can delay verification and payouts, so take a moment to double check everything before moving forward. Now choose your account type. If you're selling as an individual, pick the personal option. If you operate under a registered company, choose the business option. This selection affects the details you'll be asked for and how your information appears on payment and tax-related documents, so select the one that truly reflects how you operate. Finally, enter your details in the fields provided. Supply your legal name or business name, your address, and any other identification details Gumroad requests on this page. Use the exact information shown on your bank or business documents to avoid verification hiccups. Before you leave the page, review each field for accuracy and consistency. That's it. You've navigated to payments, set your schedule and method, selected the right account type, and entered the required details. Gumroad may review your information, and once it's cleared, you're set for smooth, reliable payouts.